Tomorrow, the search for a 2-year-old boy in Whitman County will switch to a recovery mission. 27-month-old Avery Blakely disappeared around 12:30 this afternoon. Officials say they are certain he fell into a fast-moving creek in the tiny Whitman County town of Malden. KXLY4 Sally Showman spent the afternoon and evening there.
All afternoon, there were people scattered along the shoreline of Pine Creek, people frantically searching for 2-year-old Avery Blakely. But tonight, the sheriff called off the search. He says it's just too cold, too dark, and the water is just running too quickly.
Heartbreaking.
A search by land, water, and air.
Family's devastated. Yeah, the whole community is really devastated.
Dozens of people lined the creek's bank. At one point, it seemed as if the whole town of Malden was out looking for the toddler.
I was at work at the feed mill and I heard about it and I clocked out and I just came on out to help.
Volunteers are amazing. Cars up and down the roads with their emergency lights on and water up to their knees looking for him.
The 27-month-old was last seen behind his aunt's trailer, which is about 100 feet away from Pine Creek. His mother tells the sheriff's office she went inside for a minute. When she came out, he was gone. His little shoe was discovered at the river's edge.
The water's very fast, very cold, and you can't see anything in it.
Searchers faced obstacle after obstacle, a fast-moving creek, cold temperatures, and murky water. As daylight faded, so did hope that little Avery would be found alive.
The loss of anyone is tragic, but certainly a 27-month-old child is something that's going to take a while to come to grips with.
A scaled-back search resumes tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. The sheriff says it will be a recovery mission. In Malden, Sally Showman, KXLY4 HD News.